Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this kind of error in your website. There has been a critical error on this website. Now, if I refresh on this page, you will discover that the error is still there. So the first thing you are going to do is that you need to log into your hosting provider. Mine here is Truehost. So if your own is Namecheap, go ahead and log into your Namecheap account. When you do that, you come over to where you have hosting. Now here I have services here, so I click on these services. I'm going to click on this active. So you need to head over to where you have cPanel. So I'm going to click on cPanel. So you scroll down to where you have File Manager. So you click on your File Manager. Now you come over to where you have your website. Now for this hosting here, I only have one website in this hosting. And if you only have one site in your hosting, now take note that your website files will be inside public HTML. But if there are more than one site here, and then maybe your site happens to be the site that was not connected to the hosting in the process of buying the hosting, now you will see your website files here. So, but if your site is the only site in your hosting, your website files will be inside public HTML. So I'm going to double click on this. Then I'm going to scroll down to where I have WP config. So I'm going to right click on this, then come over to where I have edit and then click on it. Then you come over here and click on edit. Now you have to be very careful here, because if you alter anything here, your website will not load again. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to come over to where I have WP debug. I'm going to change this to true. Now I'm going to save changes. Okay. Now when you do that, come over to your website again, refresh on this page. Now you see, now changing this WP debug to true will enable us to find out the tools that are responsible for the error that we have here. Now you have to understand that when you have that kind of error, it is simply caused by plugins. There are plugins that conflict with each other. So when plugins conflict with each other, you are liable to have that kind of error. So you come over here, you have fatal error here. Now you just have to look at this thing line by line. So you see, this is actually the directory of your site. You have public HTML, WP content, we have plugins here, then you have Smart Mark Core. So if you delete this Smart Mark Core now, this issue will be resolved. So let's look at it again. You look at it here, you come over here again, you see the same thing here. Public HTML, WP content, plugins, Smart Mark Core. If you come over here, it's almost the same thing everywhere. It's almost the same thing everywhere. So what I'm going to do first is to first of all delete that plugin. Now I can delete that plugin from my cPanel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to where I have my file manager. So I will come over here to WP contents and double click on this. I will come over to where I have plugins. I will double click on this. Now we have Smart Mark Core here. So I'm going to right click on this. I'm going to delete it. I'm going to tick on this and then confirm. So now let's go back again and refresh our site and see what we have. So guys, you see we have been able to fix that error. So that is how you can fix this kind of error. So guys, if you have really learned from this video, I would like you to like this video. Please share this video to people, subscribe to this channel. The last thing you are going to do is that you are going to come over here to your WP config file and then change this thing back to false. So I'm going to come over here and then change it to false. So I'm going to save changes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and then share these videos to others. See you guys in my next video.